guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm happy to have you joining me. So today we are doing a 1 hour speed clean with me. I wanted to go ahead and tackle the two messiest rooms in my house. If you watched the intro, you know it is my kitchen and my son's room. Now, for whatever reason, these two rooms always look like a tornado has gone off on them. I do have a whole house video coming on Monday that for like super awesome cleaning motivation. I'm doing some deep cleaning in there. But before I wanted to get the whole house cleaned, I wanted to tackle these two spaces. I find that when I'm trying to do deep cleaning, if I need to do just like surface cleaning like these rooms needed, then I'm less likely to get like nitty gritty cleaning done in those rooms because I've already spent way too much time. So I took about 30 minutes and spent 30 minutes in each room, adding up to a total of an hour in order to get both rooms picked up and ready for a deeper cleaning. Now, I started with unloading the dishwasher. Y'all know I hate this chore, but it needed to be done. And I will say that unloading it finally at least like kind of got me rolling and in the groove of like, okay, we are in cleaning mode. And like I said, I only had 1 hour, so I just wanted to bust it out as quick as I could and get it done. So I'm going to go ahead, turn up the music, and let's get this motivation going.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince.
I did notice when I was cleaning the counters off that there was quite a few little fingerprints on the cabinets, and so I wanted to go ahead and get that dusted off real quick. Now, with the whole house clean with me video, I did go ahead and give these a better wipe down. I love just taking like cleaner into like a bowl with some warm water and just giving everything a nice good wipe down. So I do go ahead and do that later, but I did want to get that done for this video of just getting a little bit of the fingerprints and dust off. Now, this drawer has been driving me absolutely crazy. There's so much stuff in it. Half of it I didn't even know was in there. And I had bought new organizers at Home Goods that I wanted to try out in a few different areas, and this was one of them. And I actually am really, really liking the way it turned out. Let me know what you guys think, if you like how it turned out or if you think that it needs to be changed around again. But I am just trying to keep everything as simple as possible, and if it's things that I know that we will not use, I'm trying to get rid of it. Or if it's like utensils or serving spoons that I know I will not use ever, I'm trying to get rid of it. That way I don't have just a bunch of clutter taking up space in my drawers.
I need somebody. Into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget.
So something I definitely want to point out is you can see that I'm actually using two different rags, one for my countertops and one for my cabinets. And that's because, like I said, my cabinets had like fingerprints and dust on them that I was trying to tackle. And I've seen it in other people's videos where people like call out the person for using the same rags over and over again. But I have mostly gray rags. They all look the same, but I am constantly changing them out and using 3 to 4 rags easily per room. So I just wanted to go ahead and point that out, that I'm not using the same rags to clean everything. I do have multiple rags out.
All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed.
Now you guys know that one of my biggest things that I want to do is keep everything as real as possible. So this is his room in its current state. I didn't come in, pick it up or anything. You can see he's got wipies pulled out all over his room. But I wanted to go ahead and get in here and get this room tackled because, like I said, it's one of the messiest rooms. I didn't want to have to spend a ton of time. We do much better when we give his room a good cleaning, and then we try and help him maintain it throughout the week. And this was the tail end of a 3-day weekend, so he definitely had spent a lot of time in his room. And I love that he likes playing in there and everything, but sometimes it does take a little bit of a beating. So I wanted to start by changing out his sheets before tackling the rest of his bedroom.
Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. To be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe.
And here's just a quick reminder of what his room looked like before. Like I said, it was a complete disaster. He had toys, wipes, trash thrown all about his room. And I was definitely excited to get in there and transform his room, because I just feel like cleaning and picking up all of the clutter and stuff just makes the room look night and day difference. I feel like you can just, it looks so much more put together, so much nicer, and like you put a lot more effort into their room. But that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new, I'd love for you to take a minute, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
With these humble lacking everlasting ego, I guess it never hit you.